Home Remedies presents Brush your teeth with salt to make them shine bright like a diamond. Hey guys, the remedy I am going to share with you today is in itself a unique home remedy for teeth whitening and for killing the harmful bacteria in your mouth. Mustard oil is extracted from mustard seeds and has numerous uses. It has been used for ages in the southeastern region to make hair long and lustrous. When applied on teeth with some salt mixed into it, it acts as the perfect natural whitener. Studies have shown that a salt massage can be great not just for the teeth but also for the gums, all thanks to its antimicrobial properties. Are you liking the video? If yes, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to support it. How to make the remedy? You will need mustard oil 3 teaspoons, salt 1 teaspoon. Directions: take a small bowl and mix the ingredients thoroughly and rub it on your teeth for a few minutes. You can either use your finger to massage it on your gums and teeth or gently use your toothbrush. Do so for about 3 minutes daily and see the results for yourself. If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.